In terms of the actual the workflow, one of the things that really attracts us is, one, you can make pages straight from InDesign, but then you can make the pages from InDesign in the other tools we've used as well, but it works slightly differently. I think one of the really key things for us is the ability to instantly preview. Other workflows we use, you create the pages and then you can send them to another tool and you wrap them up and then you send them to the iPad, and the whole process of actually getting a page off the InDesign screen and into your hand was just really quite lengthy and quite annoying when you're using it. Whereas with magplus, as long as you're on the same Wi-Fi network, you send it across, and if it's a small page, it takes seconds. So that was really, really attractive. For just about every element of design, you want to be able to get it in your hands and see how it works, in the same way that we could instantly proof off a print page for any of our magazines in about a minute. And the other thing is that it's a one-time design process. We know that if you have an iPad magazine, it has to work both ways. It has to work in horizontal and vertical, and especially with our pictures, we never ever crop photos. Never crop, never adjust, never obscure. And if you're limited to one orientation, that means that some of your photos are going to be tiny. We want to fill the iPad. With magplus, we can actually set the pages so that the photos really fill the screen, but we only have to set the pages once, and the horizontal vertical works almost automatically. So the combination of those two things, of the instant previews and the ability to only work on each page once, let the designers really get the page exactly the way they want it and know that it'll work in both orientations, were both hugely attractive.